Welcome to Spotlight for Success by American Book Company. We are here at LACUE with Anthony Parker. Anthony Parker, thank you for joining us today.
Yes, I'm glad to be here.
Yeah, he's there with, is it Northeast High School?
Northeast High School.
In East Baton Rouge?
Yes, sir.
All right, I am Devin Pintosi, your host, and we're going to get started.
All right, Mr.
All
Devin.
right. Anthony, tell us a little bit about yourself.
I teach at Northeast High School. I've been teaching 2 years. Before teaching, I was actually a certified welder. Been doing it for 13 years.
Wow. So what got you into teaching?
Got me into teaching was I went to school in Los Angeles, California,
Okay.
and in film. So I went to Los Angeles Film School. Did 4 years, got my bachelor's in that. But prior to me being in there, I was doing movies while I was in school.
Oh, wow.
So I was also teaching on set everything that I was learning in school.
Wow.
So I said, I might as well just go ahead and join the educational field. I saw signs everywhere. They're looking for teachers. And so I went into the sub field. So I went in as a paraprofessional. So I started learning while in the paraprofessional, which is a sub.
Okay.
So as I'm subbing, I'm learning. So I started liking it. The principal came to me, she saw how good I was going, and the kids loved me. I said, well, I'm going to give it a shot. The whole school liked me.
Oh, there you go.
Give it a shot. This is my second year. I'm pushing the gun. Let me go back a little bit. January gonna make a year.
Okay.
January they brought me on
Okay.
to be a teacher in January.
Wonderful.
I just made Teacher of the Year.
Oh,
this
congratulations.
year. So I'm Teacher of the Year
Wow. At Northeast
High School.
Wonderful. Wonderful.
That's awesome.
That's great. I
That's
understand you're going to be coaching next year, too.
And then I also be coaching. So the kids, they like the movies that I actually produce.
Oh, nice.
The school wanted me to teach digital media, broadcasting, and photography.
Oh, wow. What kind of movies do you produce?
Action film.
Really?
And I also got my students right now. We working on a project.
Wow.
It's a zombie film called Fady Impact
Oh, nice.
that we're shooting at the school right now.
Oh, that
Our
is
first
so
project
awesome.
with my students that we're filming.
Wow.
It's gonna be a movie.
Oh, that's great. So where can people from LACUE, if they want to see your work or want to see your students' work, where can they see that?
Actually, they can go on our Instagram page and type of Surviving Northeast. They can also see the morning announcements and see the photography shots. They can see the students at work.
Oh, wow.
Live.
That is awesome. That is awesome. And what a great experience for the students and getting them involved in film and the entertainment industry right from the get-go, right in high school.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's incredible.
Yeah.
Wow. You're doing a lot of things there.
I got a lot of things going on, and it motivates me to keep going.
Yeah.
And I'm going past the educational field in teaching. I also go to LSU. I
Okay.
graduate May 17th. I graduate from LSU, and I get my master's.
Oh, wonderful.
At American Book Company in Woodstock, Georgia, we are committed to your students' success. As you can see behind me, we have our workbooks and we have online testing and ebooks that go on fancy iPads over here, for instance. They're all designed to help your students succeed and have higher test scores on their high-stakes assessments. Give us a call, 888-264-5877, or find us on the web, abck12.com, and you can receive a free trial or a free preview book of your choice. Hope to hear from you soon. Bye-bye.
What's your master's in?
Educational leadership,
Educational leadership.
to be a principal.
Oh, nice. Wonderful. Good for you.
Yeah.
You're getting all set up here. Oh, this is great. So what's your, so tell me a bit about, did you have a special, time where you felt like the students were really getting it you want to share with us?
Oh man, I got plenty, but I'm gonna speak on this one. I had one student that didn't like my class at all. They just put him in there. The guidance counselor just threw him in there, just give them an extra class that they needed. They didn't need that class, but they had to have that class. Any other class, but they just threw them in that class because they needed to fill up the room, the space. I kept having problems. They didn't want to get up. They didn't want to participate. I said, I got something for them. I started learning that student and what that student liked. And I started adding it into the curriculum. She started helping. I got a leader in my class.
Okay.
She started helping him, and when she started helping him, he liked her.
Oh, wow.
She started helping him. He started getting excited, and it motivated him to participate in everything that I had going on in class. And guess what? That student's the top of the class now.
Oh, wow. What a wonderful story. That is great.
Right
it's great
now.
to see those happening.
Right
yeah,
now.
see that success
Guess
going.
what? The leader that helped him, he topped her.
Wow. Wow. That is wonderful. That's just that leadership and people helping each other up through film.
And guess what?
That's
On that, he
incredible.
motivates me too.
Oh, wow.
Because he motivated me because I was giving up. I was giving up on him. I was about to get him put into another class. And I said, no. I believe I can get him. I can mold him. I can get him.
Oh, that's awesome.
And I got him.
Oh, that's great, Anthony. What an incredible story. So now you're here at LACUE. What are you hoping to get out of this conference that you're going to take back to your kids?
Okay. So I'm actually here down with esports. See, we down here, the whole esports team.
Oh,
We down
okay.
here to kind of build the team out this way.
Oh, yeah.
So my whole esports, EBR esports from Baton Rouge, we out here in New Orleans.
Oh, nice.
So we networking to get more kids involved into the program,
Into esports.
into esports.
Okay.
But I wanted to come. It's a trick. Because, I do film.
Okay. Yeah, right.
I wanted to network with other people in digital media that's in other educational field in digital media. I was hoping to run across a couple of teachers that's actually doing what I'm doing
Wonderful.
and kind of exchange numbers
That's great.
and network together.
That's wonderful.
That's what I wanted to do.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Well, that's great. I hope
But
you're
I ran
able-
across y'all.
That's great. That's great, and we're part of that, hopefully,
Yeah.
for you. And I hope you also make other connections, and you make a lot of them. Here at LACUE,
Yes, sir.
it'd be a great thing. That's awesome. Do you have anything you'd like to share directly with the LACUE community? Any
Okay,
message you
well-
want to share them?
I would like to leave. Don't give up. Don't give up. Continue to go for what you need. Don't give up. It's there for you. Don't give up.
That's awesome. Thank you so much. That's Anthony Parker with Northeast High School in East Baton Rouge. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Nice to be here with you, Devin.
All right. Thank you.